Welcome to Alam La Popo channel. Today, we will explore how a wastewater treatment plant works from start to finish. Wastewater comes from homes, industries, and businesses, carrying dirt, oil, and chemicals. The journey begins at the inlet, where all wastewater first enters the treatment facility. The first stage is called screening, where large debris like plastics and rags are removed. Bar screens prevent clogging in downstream equipment by filtering out large solids. The collected solid waste is taken away for separate disposal or incineration. Next, the water passes to the grit chamber to remove sand, gravel, and small stones. Grit removal protects pumps and pipes from abrasion and damage. After grit removal, water flows to the primary sedimentation tank. In this tank, heavier solids settle at the bottom, forming primary sludge. The clear water at the top moves on to the next stage, biological treatment. The biological process begins in the aeration tank. Air is pumped into the tank to help microorganisms break down organic matter. These microorganisms consume organic pollutants and convert them into carbon dioxide, water, and new cells. This process is known as activated sludge treatment. The mixture of treated water and microorganisms is called mixed liquor. After aeration, the water flows into the secondary clarifier. In this stage, microorganisms settle down to form secondary sludge. Some of this sludge is returned to the aeration tank to maintain microbial balance. The rest of the sludge, called waste-activated sludge, is sent for further treatment. The clear water from the secondary clarifier is now much cleaner, but still contains fine particles. This water enters the tertiary treatment process for final polishing. One common method is sand filtration, which removes small suspended solids. Another method uses activated carbon filters to absorb odor and color. Some plants use membrane filtration for high-quality water output. The next step is disinfection, to kill any remaining harmful bacteria or viruses. Common disinfection methods include chlorination, ozonation, or UV light. After disinfection, the treated water is safe for discharge or reuse. Some plants reuse treated water for irrigation or industrial cooling. Now let's return to the sludge treatment process. The sludge from primary and secondary treatment is first thickened to reduce water content. Next, the thickened sludge undergoes anaerobic digestion. In digestion, bacteria break down sludge in the absence of oxygen, producing biogas. The produced biogas can be used to generate heat and electricity. The digested sludge becomes more stable and easier to handle. After digestion, sludge goes through dewatering to remove excess moisture. Dewatered sludge looks like thick cake and can be disposed or reused as compost. Some plants further dry the sludge using solar drying beds or mechanical dryers. Properly treated sludge can be used as fertilizer in agriculture. Finally, all byproducts are managed safely to minimize environmental impact. Clean water from the plant returns to nature, supporting life again. Continuous monitoring ensures water quality meets environmental standards. Control rooms track every stage using sensors and automation systems. Automation improves efficiency, accuracy, and energy savings. Energy recovery systems make the plant more sustainable. Some plants use solar panels to power part of their operations. Modern wastewater plants also use odor control systems to reduce smell. Advanced technologies include membrane bioreactors and reverse osmosis. These systems produce water pure enough for industrial reuse. Education and public awareness help communities understand water conservation. Treating wastewater protects rivers, oceans, and groundwater. Without treatment, wastewater would pollute the environment and spread disease. Modern treatment plants are essential for sustainable urban living. Engineers and operators work together to keep systems running smoothly. Maintenance and safety checks are done regularly to ensure reliability. Data from sensors helps predict and prevent operational issues. Future wastewater treatment aims for zero waste and full reuse. Innovation continues to make water treatment more efficient and eco-friendly. Thanks to wastewater treatment, clean water can safely return to the environment. Thank you for learning with Alam La Popo. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational stories.